Yes guys, how's it going? I hope you're all keeping well, in the best of health. So today I am going to be putting on the Harris plates on this Golf R. Now I've got a lot of content in the pipeline with this, and to tell you the truth guys, I'm just enjoying driving this at the moment, and I'm just going to make as much content as possible with this. I've got the car booked in for a machine polish, so we're going to get the car looking nice and clean, because the bodywork right now, there is so many swirl marks on it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But for today, I've got these bad boys out. These plates have been sat around under retention for way too long now, and I think it's about time. Yeah, that's about it. I've signed the plates online on the Gov website. We're ready to go, crack on. I've got double-sided tape guys. I prefer double-sided tape to any of the other sticky pads, as they take too long to come off. With this, it's just bam bam bam, put them on, and when you want to take them off, you yank them off and you're good to go. Right, so we've taken the back ones off. Is it just me, or do cars actually look nice without plates? Because that does look nice as well. I've got this one stickered up, ready to go on. There you have it before. Let's get the plate on and show you guys the after. Right, I think it needs moving over a tad more to the right. That should do it. Oh no, I've gone too much to the right. I'm not too sure if that's bang on in the middle. It does seem like it is. Right then guys, it's going on. I think that should be alright. Sharp plates do look good, man. MashaAllah. Right, that's the front one on. Time to get the back ones on. You alright, lad?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Robber.
You're a robber?
Look at him.
Oh yeah.
That's me. That's me.
Yeah.
Anybody else?
There's one more person inside. Oh guys, I don't know, man. This one's looking even trickier than the front one. Oh, right. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's bent, that. From the left. Needs pushing up a little bit. Right. I think that one is bang on. Sometimes you can't tell with the angle as well, but it is what it is. I'm just going to leave it there now. Does that look straight, boys, yeah? Yeah, man, nice one. That's the plates. Supplied, unfitted. Who were they supplied by now? Oh, I can't remember. I've had these plates for a while. Big up whoever made those plates for me. They've been stored away for a very long time. And they're out on them. Look at them. They look absolutely fantastic. MashaAllah, it goes really well with the car. It's only right I hit you with some cinematics. Let me roll the clip over and let's get some visuals.